Well, it's Tech for Hire. I believe he's going to bore us again with his bullshit.
Hey guys and gals, Tech for Hire here. Wanted to do an update video to a video I had done probably a little over a year, maybe 2 years ago. This one right here. That one I installed a Phoenix. I can't remember the exact name of it. I'll have to put the description or whatnot. But installed that stereo and it worked pretty good. The issue that I've been having with it is periodically as you're driving, it'll just disconnect. If you've ever had a satellite radio in your car, you'll be driving down the road, go underneath an overpass, what does it do? Completely cuts out. This does that, especially when you're directly connected to it through your phone and through the USB. That shouldn't happen. What I've also noticed is when you're flipping through the songs and you say, okay, you know what, I don't like this song, I'm gonna hit fast forward, I want to change it. You do that and guess what happens? There's like a good 30 to 40 second delay. I have not been very happy with that in this system, and I'm actually on the verge of switching it out. The display looks great, everything's good there. But the cutting out is driving me insane. When I got it, I mentioned in this video that it came with a little dongle that was about 50 bucks. Now, at the time, I understood that was a wireless connection, so you can connect your phone to it. But I was having all sorts of problems with that. I couldn't get it to connect. So doing further research on some stereos that I was gonna replace it with, it seems like Zlink, which is the method that this unit uses to connect, has issues, and a lot of people are complaining about it. And from what I understand, it's mainly due to the fact that it is a software-based emulator for your cell phone. So I started doing more digging, and I looked into I want to say it was MirrorLink. That one didn't have good reviews as well. A lot of people are complaining that there's tons of ads. I don't want to deal with that. Then there's Carlink, and I couldn't find really any negative reviews for it. One thing that concerned me is I actually bought one. I should preface that out. I just bought the dongle, and it was about $45 on Amazon. But when I got it, it's in this box. And it was called, there's a mosquito flying around here somewhere. But it was same color box, but the device on the inside was white. And in the video I explain what it's called. It's like, I don't know, Etherlink or something like that. I don't recall. Excuse me. But this one kind of concerned me a little bit. When I saw that, I opened it up. I actually referenced the old video. I looked it up and I was like, oh, okay, it's a different one. Probably same area, maybe even the same manufacturer. They just decided to use different software. But this one is called the AutoKit. You know, it's Carlink, but the software is AutoKit. So one thing to note with the Carlink AutoKit stuff, it will tell you in the instructions that you need to go to this website and download it. If you go to that download site, you actually get a 404 error. It doesn't work. But if you go directly to carlink.com, their website, you can download it directly through their website. I was able to do that. I got this thing connected in maybe 10 minutes, and the speed at which I can navigate my menus was amazing. It was maybe not quite as fast as the cell phone itself, but it was darn close. Now, just for full transparency, I have yet to take it on a drive, so I don't know if it's gonna cut in or out. If you don't see an update to this video, that means it's not cutting out, and I'm very happy with it. If it starts cutting out and I start experiencing the same problems, I will absolutely put an update video and let you guys know. But $45, If you have one of these Phoenix kits, and I should mention this specific one that I got, this dongle, it is only for Android Auto and CarPlay systems that run on Android Auto. Or I'm sorry, run on Android, I think 4.4.2 and above. If you have an OEM stereo system that uses CarPlay, you won't be able to use this one, but they do sell other ones that will work for it. They're a little bit more pricey. They have a little bit more options. You can run 2 phones instead of this one, you just run 1. Yeah, I thought it was worth noting. I had made that video quite a while ago. I haven't done any updates to it. I've been going through miscellaneous issues with it, trying to decide whether I'm going to rip it out and put a factory 8.4 in it. But I'm going to try this out for a while. If this is 45 bucks and if it works really well, I'm saving myself probably $1,000 in switching out, because that going the factory route is a whole ordeal. It's going to cost a lot of money, but at least I'll have the ease of mind, or the peace of mind, where I can just click on things and it works and I don't have any issues. But this one you can customize, you can do all that stuff. It is a great stereo if this works. If this doesn't work, I'm back to the drawing board and I'm just gonna get rid of everything. So anyways, that was a quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please make them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, until next time.